So the next thing we're asked to do is we have this equation A times B plus M times K is equal to 3A, and we're asked to solve for A. In other words, I want to get A by itself and all the other stuff on the other side. So I have two terms that have A. I have this term here and this term here. So I'm going to subtract 3A from both sides so I can get them on the same side of the equal sign. So that'll give me AB minus 3A plus MK. 3A minus 3A is just 0. Now I'm going to minus MK. I want to move both the M and K to the other side because they don't have an E in them. That equals 0. So then you know what, I'm going to rearrange this. I'm going to say 3A plus AB is equal to negative MK. Now this is where a lot of people get stuck. Remember, I want to solve for A. And so I have an A here and an A here. Why don't we just factor that out, which will give me negative 3 plus B. Actually, you know what? I should have left it the original way. Let's do A times B minus 3. You'll see why in a second. Well, all of that is equal to negative M over K. I guess it doesn't matter. Well, this is good practice. So now, this is A times the quantity B minus 3. B minus 3 actually represents a number because B represents a number. B minus another number is a number. So I'm going to divide by this whole thing, B minus 3. And what I do is I'm going to do that on both sides. These cancel to 1, right? B minus 3 divided by B minus 3 is 1. 1 times A is A. And A is equal to negative MK over B minus 3. The issue is, though, and I figured this out a while ago, I don't have an answer that looks like that. I mean, this is kind of close, right? But this is also kind of close. Notice that my M has a positive in the top. So now, when it comes to this negative sign, it could be in the top or it could be in the bottom. It just can't be in both because then it makes the whole thing positive. So I could toss this negative sign down on the bottom like such. Now, when I do that, I should probably distribute that B through the parentheses, and that would give me, I'm going to go in a reverse order, I'm going to say negative 1 times negative 3 gives me a positive 3, and then negative 1 times B gives me a negative B. So that is this one, A. And then they also let us know that we can't plug in 3, because if I plug in 3 for B, then I will get 0 in the denominator.